Hey everyone, I'm Parvat Thakkar. I am the creator of RareCompanion and I'm here to show you a quick demo. We will start with how to sign up. You come to rarecompanion.ai and you see a screen like this. You click on sign up and you can enter your name, email address, couple more information and create password. I'm gonna put my real name, but you can use your just any other name. Doesn't have to be real. It's gonna be real name here. How about I put this one? And then here you can say I'm a rare disease patient or a caregiver or a healthcare provider. I'm a caregiver. And then you enter patient's condition. If you select a rare disease patient yourself, then the label is your condition. My wife has GNE myopathy, and it has few other options. I'm gonna add many more options going forward, but I selected GNE myopathy, and then all I did was I entered a solid password. There you go. And then I agree to terms and services, privacy policy. I'm okay with this consenting to the anonymized data being used. So, but it's optional. You can uncheck if you want or not check if you want and hit create account. You see a screen like that, so you know it's created. And this is what you see when you log in. This is a pretty cool dashboard, isn't it? There are many things here. Let me quickly show you. First is you can click on start personalization and actually provide some more context to the RareCompanion. RareCompanion being this AI that you're going to be talking with, which is your AI companion. So basically all your responses are a little more tailored and a little more personalized. Okay, so I'll show you that here. Chat with AI companion, which is the core feature of this website, of this app. You click here and you start using RareCompanion. You go here for tracking symptoms. View insights and guided meditation is being built right now as we speak. And then research hub is another core feature where you can actually start. It's pretty cool. I'm going to show you. And this is a pain management station, which is like an experiment I'm running where here it's just chatting with the RareCompanion, but it's a little bit focused on pain management. So my goal in future is to create a few more chat stations, like chat station that is focused on medical appointments, or a station that is focused on tools and resources, a station that is focused on your next doctor's appointment, a station that is focused on analyzing lab results. That AI can just literally analyze all your lab results and guide you and all those things. So pretty cool things coming up. Recent conversations are here, as I haven't chatted. It says start your first chat. Okay, so here let me first show you, and you don't have to go in this order. You can just click on anywhere and just start using, right? I'm just gonna show you how to start using by clicking start personalization. Okay, so when you do here, it says, hey, you know what, this is what it is. It's completely optional. If you don't want to use it, don't want to use it, that's completely fine. But I'm going to show you how to use it. It's pretty cool, actually. You hit next and see, these are the options. These are the questions. Now here you can say, either you can type all these answers, or you can actually just speak. I'm going to show you both. I'm going to say, hey, what would you like me to call you? And say, you can just say Parva, like that's my real name. Or you can, if you are feeling fancy, you can say, hi, my name is Parva. And you can say, uh, he, him. You don't have to do it, but Parva sometimes is taken as like a female name. So I just want to be explicitly clear. Again, you don't have to do anything like that. Here, or you can provide detailed answer, whatever you want. Anything and everything is here optional, and it's totally personalized. Where are you located? So here I'm going to show you how this thing works. Here, allow by visiting the site, Phoenix, Arizona. Right? See, it just worked, right? So you don't have to type, and it's true for each and everything, right? And here you can, well, what do you do for work, and what condition you have, and you go next. And there are other things. You would tell us about your diagnosis journey, biggest challenges, what makes a good day for you. Again, these are like pretty, you can go in pretty detail, and that's why there are voice options, so that you can take your time and you can do it again, right? You can say, what makes a good day for you? Well, when my kids play, that makes a good day for me. And then you're like, wait, I want to add more. So you can say, and when I see my wife doing good, that actually makes a good day for me. Well, good. So, right. So it added, right? It didn't override. It actually added. Well, guess what? And when Netflix releases a really nice show, that really makes my day. Just kidding, but actually not. Thank you. There you go, right? Again, I don't know why I said thank you to AI. You don't have to. But again, and again, you can come back to this onboarding journey anytime. There's onboarding questions anytime, edit it, delete it, whatever you want. Right? Basically, this is to help you. Again, I'm gonna skipping these two questions just for the sake of demo, but here I can say um, just enter anything. The next is there's two questions. What are the important people in your support system? What activities or strategies that you are aware that are helping you? Again, everything is optional. I can't stress that enough. And this is the last one, which is sorry, second to the last question screen. There's two more questions. You come back and then you say, hey, do you how would you like a rare companion to be? Would you like it to be friendly and casual, which is default? But hey, you know what? No, I want a little more supportive tone. Great. Well, you know what? I would rather have just direct and to the point. That's fine too. Anything is fine. And what other topics you want to this rare companion to focus? And this is again, this is all personalization, customization. You can come back and change it, right? You can select all, you can select none, you can select five, and then come back and choose other five or unselect other five, or anything is fine. This totally, all right. So I'm just gonna hit save. So there you go. So it's personalization complete. You can always click on update preferences, and you can see that well, it saved everything I added before, and you can always come back and, as I said, change, delete, whatever you want to do. All right, there you go. Now the chat with AI companion is just pretty straightforward, right? You click here and say, hey, I am new here. Well, again, just like onboarding, you can type here or you can just speak. So I can say, I don't know what to ask. I'm completely new here, and this is my first time using. What can you do? Right? See, it's pretty fast, right? And then you hit send, and now this part will take a couple seconds, right? And I'm trying to improve. I'm trying to make it fast, but hey, you know what? This is great, awesome, whatever. And then it knows a few things about me already because of that customization. And then you continue chatting here, right? The goal is this is a companion, right? You want someone to talk to you. That person is infinitely patient. That person is not judging you. That person is always there with you. That person is your companion, and here that's your rare companion, right? It can help you with anything, right? It's not your friend, it's not your family, it's not your sibling, it's not judging you, it's not employer, it's not your employee, it's just your companion. It's right there, right? So you can start talking, you can talk as much as you want, you can come back and talk more, you can start a new conversation, all those things, right? So let me send a couple more things. Oh, well, that's great to hear. Seems like a pretty good friend. Are you my friend? Can I call you my friend, or what should I call you? There you go. Right. Um, yeah, I'm feeling all right today. Thanks for asking. I was just checking out. I'll probably come back and talk to you again. There you go. And yeah, well, there you go. You can go back to dashboard and then you can find that recent conversation right here. Getting started with AI, right? Pretty cool. AI gave is a title. You can click here and resume this chat, or you can click here, start a new chat. You can go back to dashboard and start a new chat, whatever you want, right? There are no rules. This is your dashboard. Just you can't do anything wrong here. Let me show you Research Hub, and then I'll come to track symptoms. Research Hub, so you click here, it takes a few seconds because it's loading. It's loading GNE myopathy because it knows I'm interested in GNE myopathy, right? If you entered any other disease name there, well, it will fetch those research papers. Seems like there is a new research paper that has this title. Okay, seems like it got published in January. Sure, this one is from February, March, whatever. Right, but the thing is, who has time to read a research paper? Not me. This is an 18-minute read. I don't know. Means I can read 18 minutes. Can I read 18 minutes um, of a research paper? Probably not. So you know what? I'm just gonna get an AI explanation. There are 5 ways you can get all five, one of five explanation. What is this EL5? If you come here and just hold on for a second, you will see there is a tooltip that says simple everyday language. Click here to generate. Let me click. Okay, usually takes 10-30 seconds, as it said. Most likely it's gonna be 10 seconds, not 30. We'll see. Okay, ELI5 just means explain like I'm five. So the whole research paper, the whole thing has been explained to me with this text as if I'm a 5 year old. Okay, you know what? This is pretty good. I don't think I need this much easy explanation, although to be honest with you, I like it, but just for the demo perspective, I'm gonna say, you know what? Maybe create an audio script. What is an audio script? Say it's generating. Again, it's gonna take a few seconds. It's a conversational format. Like what if you were listening to a podcast, then you will listen to an audio script like this, right? So it's trying to give you so you can digest this whole thing as a conversation, right? Hey, there's a podcast. Hello, welcome friends. Oh, whatever, right? Yeah. So see, the whole thing is given to you as if you are listening to a podcast, right? So similarly, there are other things. There is a patient-friendly version. There is a technical version. You can actually have Q&A, right? So let's say we go with this paper and we say, hey, Q&A, right? So it's generating the few questions and then few answers. Maybe that's how you consume information, right? So again, this is not only for patient. For this is just for everyone, right? So again, yeah, this is a pretty cool built-in feature. And all right, let me go back to our Rare Companion. Where was it? Parva dashboard, right here. Maybe I should add a back button from Research Hub to come back to dashboard, but that's fine. All right, so again, as I said, view insights and guided meditation, they are still in works. Let's see what happens to track symptoms. Well, this is how you track symptoms. Today is 24th of June, so that's by default is the date, although you can pick and select any date you want. It shows you have entered zero this week because we just created account, didn't we? And then it gives pretty cool statistics here, right? I can say, well, you know what, actually my fatigue level is 7 out of 10, which I don't know, maybe this label should be flipped, right? 7 out of 10 means poor, and other way, never mind. Pain level is actually, again we should change flip the names, but you know what I mean. Mobility is good, mood is alright, sleep quality great. Any notes? You know what, no notes, just save entry. And you can go back to dashboard, but I'm going to click add another just to show you. See, this is how it get updated. It always get updated as you enter more. And again, this is for your own tracking, right? And many other cool features are coming. As I said, pain management station, which I'll let you try on your own. More stations are coming. I'm going to put some AI generated guided meditations. They're almost ready. I'm going to hook them up very soon. I don't know. See, guided. This is coming up, and then this view insight is also coming up. My goal is to provide you a little more insight as you move forward. Again, you can and then I'm gonna add export data and all those things. So more things are coming. Thanks again for using. And yeah, and if you again have any questions, you should definitely reach out to me. Happy to answer. One thing I want to show you is there is also a help center. So when you click here, there are a bunch of questions here that you can just click. If you click on FAQ, there are like literally tens of questions that you can get your answer. Or when you are on dashboard, and then there is this right here. See, there are things here you can do. You can click on chat with the AI companion, and you click here, and then there are so many questions that can be useful. Or when you are in say tracking symptom, and then you click on FAQ, you see other relevant questions popping up. So this site is pretty rich, and again, always happy to add more things as you find more value. Take things out if you don't see any value. If you have suggestions, if you have feedback, please give it to me. Again, can't stress enough. This is your own dashboard. There's no right or wrong way to use it. Click just anywhere, explore what is out there, and I hope you have a good time with Rare Companion.